Top 5 Best Folding Treadmill for Seniors. Number 5. ProGear 190 Manual Treadmill. The ProGear Space Saver Manual Treadmill for Elderly is an effective tool to help burn extra calories and achieve regular exercise. This basic treadmill for seniors has a strong steel frame, wide side rails to get a sturdy and safe stride. Additionally, it will come with the ability to incline for a more intense workout that's best for burning calories. The ProGear 190 space-saving manual treadmill features minimal assembly, no electrical power, a foldable space-saving design, and it's maintenance-free. Pros: Best manual treadmill for seniors. The compact foldable space-saving design provides easy assembly. Sturdy steel frame. One of the best inexpensive treadmills for seniors. 2 distinct inclines levels. It could be easily relocated with transportation wheels. Twin flywheels and oversized belt rollers ensure smooth and consistent operation. Longer than average handrails that provide users safety. Maximum user weight capacity of 230 pounds. CONS. The console looks cheap. No built-in training programs. The running belt tends to oscillate during workouts. The running surface is too narrow for vigorous running exercises. Not suitable for users taller than 6 feet. Coming in number 4. Exerpeutic TF900 High Capacity. The Exerpeutic TF900 High Capacity Fitness Walking Electric Treadmill is a lightweight model that has only the essential functions. It's largely utilized for strolls and brisk walks only. It's affordable and one of the best treadmills for a low-intensity indoor workout. It's great for people who wish to lose weight or maintain proper weight. Pros: Straightforward assembly. Displays basic workout data. It's compact and portable, hence ideal for home use. It's light in weight but can hold around 350 pounds. Long handles for safe and more secure exercise. Safety key feature. The assembly is straightforward and easy. The price is reasonable compared to most entry-level treadmills. CONS. No incline adjustment. No built-in programs. The motor is too weak to run. The track size is not that big. Coming in number 3. Goplus 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill. Goplus motorized folding treadmill with its powerful and ultra-quiet 2.25 horsepower motor permits one to walk or run without disturbing other people, making it one of the ideal walking treadmills for seniors. The foldable treadmill is one of the best folding treadmill for seniors and has belt featuring a 7-layer non-slip shock absorbing in a spacious running surface that provides a highly effective and safe cushion for your joints, muscles, and knees. The LED display clearly displays time, distance, calories burned and monitoring your progress to real time and keeping a record of your stats. The remote control is quite convenient to adjust the speed settings. Pros: Best no-frills treadmill for seniors. The maximum speed of 7.5 miles per hour. 12 built-in programs. Easy storage. Comes completely assembled. The emergency stop button provides excellent security. Maximum weight capacity of 265 pounds. Tablet holder holds mobile phones. Safe space and are easy to store. Best portable treadmill for seniors. CONS. No incline. No water bottle holder. Does not monitor heart rate. Coming in number 2. Exerpeutic TF1000 Ultra High Capacity Electric. Exerpeutic TF1000 Walk to Fitness Electric Treadmill is a budget-friendly option-packed machine with numerous helpful features. This treadmill is one of the better treadmills for older adults and equipped with a 1.5 horsepower motor. This motor might not be impressive compared to its counterparts, but it includes a quiet drive that reduces the noise level. This inexpensive treadmill has a durable steel frame and supports 400 pounds. The Exerpeutic TF1000 treadmill offers 2 manual incline settings for people who wish to intensify their training regimen. The belt is also wide enough to accommodate users with distinct heights. Long handlebars and cushioning desk with shock absorption are what's best for seniors. All in all, the Exerpeutic TF1000 treadmill is the best option for a senior who's trying to find a simple machine to walk on a budget. Pros: One of the best treadmill for seniors. Fold-up treadmill for seniors and comes pre-assembled. 400 pounds of max weight capacity. Heavy-duty design. Emergency shut-off. Extra long 18-inch handles. Enormous running belt. Heart rate monitor in the handles. CONS. No auto incline. Motor only suitable for walking. No built-in programs. Coming in number 1. Sunny Health Amp Fitness SFT 7857 Treadmill. The SFT 7857 from Sunny Health Amp Fitness is a highly rated walking treadmill that's perfect for seniors searching for a safe and effective workout in the comfort of their home. It's one of the best home treadmill for seniors and got the longest safety rails for support whilst exercising to improve your arm, leg, back muscles. To avoid slipperiness, amp possess a firm grip. Foam padding is used. Thus, seniors may jump on amp, often a secure manner by holding those long railings. Low deck height is yet another amazing feature of this treadmill, providing more comfort. This treadmill is featured using shock absorption technology to reduce the impact on the joints while running. All makes it the best treadmill for 60-year-old woman or man. This treadmill can keep a record of the distance covered, track duration and amp calories burned. You could even customize your goals by tapping on the mode button. Pros: extended handrails offer a feeling of extra security. The low-profile deck is easy to step onto. One of the best-rated treadmills for seniors. Features an easy-to-use control panel. A high-performance motor with increments of 0.1 mile per hour is great for light jogging. Sturdy machine can support users around 295 pounds. Fairly small footprint, perfect for an apartment. Adjustable stabilizers on the rear and transport wheels on the front base. Lubrication reminder function. 3 LED displays for time, distance, calories, and pulse. Goal settings, including time, distance, and calories. CONS. No quick selection buttons for speed. No incline. Assembly can take a bit of time. No storage space. No built-in programs. No pulse sensor.